Subscribe to Highest Good, where we tell you your future.
How are you doing, Aries? On Monday, the stars are meant for relaxation and renewal. If your boss says otherwise, well, be sure to fit in plenty of me time after hours. Spoiling yourself just a bit does your heart a world of good. A reserve of good humor and strength is also helpful during the emotional upheaval that begins sometime today. What with stormy passions, possessiveness, and more, your life may briefly resemble a soap opera. Enjoy the drama. This weekend, take extra care with others' feelings. Be sweet, and it will come back to you tenfold. Prepare yourself for all the goodies coming your way today and also brace up for the not so good things. Find out what's in store for you today. On Tuesday, oppositions are in the stars, romantically speaking, at the beginning of the week, but it's not necessarily a bad thing. You may need to relocate that happy medium between love and work, or it could be a matter of opposites attracting. You might feel like you're being told what to do today, whether by a friend who's full of love advice or by a partner. Acknowledging it and letting it go feels much better than taking it personally. The day brings bountiful good energy and your head's in the clouds. Perfect for romance. However, too much verbal communication with others may make you feel tired. You should try to avoid speaking much and must not talk about unnecessary things. On Wednesday, you should find some time for yourself rather than directing all your energies towards work. You can even do some reading. Reading some interesting article, material, or book will surely help. You should not just stick to your chair, instead, move around and meet people and talk. You're looking to impress in the midweek, but why go overboard trying when just being yourself is so very impressive? Making others feel important means they'll find you utterly fascinating. Today is all about letting go and letting the romantic chips fall where they may. If it's right, it's right. If not, well, onward and upward. There's drama in the cards when it comes to love. Keep your cool and you'll emerge smelling like a rose. On Thursday, modesty be darned. You're feeling fabulous and showing it. And romance is sitting up and taking notice. Channel any self-criticism about your love life into constructive stuff. If you use that energy to think in innovative ways, there's no stopping you. Those in relationships could be driven slightly batty by your partner's impracticality. Luckily, you're there to step in. Love is low-key for singletons now, but there's definitely stuff going on behind the scenes. You must not take up physically heavy or difficult tasks today. You should instead try light activities. The heavier load may affect you physically. Besides, your logical calculations and people may not go right. On Friday, work could be a hurdle on any romantic plans today, but the stars have some sweet stuff in store for. These are perfect for jovial fun with a date or friends. Expand your definition of the finer things in life and take someone sweet along for the ride. It could get romantic indeed. Your easygoing nature serves you well on Friday and Saturday, when life and love are serving you surprises that may be difficult to interpret. Talking to you feels good even if there's no absolute resolution. Play hard and work hard, so you need a well-balanced diet, plenty of rest and a place where you can relax and recover your energies, both physical and mental. You should not eat on the run, just grabbing whatever takeaway you can get on the spur of the moment. You need to enjoy your food, eat slowly, and avoid coffee, tea, nicotine, and alcohol, which will overstimulate you. You must always carry a bottle of water with you to avoid dehydration. On Saturday, you're just where you want to be today, right in the middle of things, romantically speaking. Make plans, speak your mind, and generally exercise your will. It works well for you. Stay loose. In particular, those in relationships need to say goodbye to stubbornness and hello to new ideas. Try laughing instead of getting wound up. The weekend looks marvelous for romance, full of meaning with lots of sweet mysteries for you to unravel or get deliciously caught up in. Health wise, you will be feeling much better now compared to last week. However, this does not mean that you can be careless or the situation could get worse. This is the best time to start a new fitness regime to get the maximum benefits. Young people should avoid overindulging in alcohol this week. Small children are expected to suffer from stomach aches, so their diet should be monitored closely. On Sunday, you're looking at love in unusually practical, down to earth ways at the week's outset. Concrete values concern you, so delve deep into them, yours and someone else's. The free exchange of ideas get downright hot with a possible merging of the minds on the agenda. Sexy and intellectual, they are two great things that go well together. If you get frustrated by some time spent cooling your heels, just wait for Sunday. It kicks off a couple of days of superlative possibilities in the realm of romance. This week, do not consume anything that is considered to be bad for your health. Unhealthy habits are likely to have a very bad effect on you this week and could lead to problems that may trouble you for a very long time. This is also not a good time to travel, as a journey will have an adverse effect on your health and also increase your stress levels.
Money and career.
Monday will find you in a good position. You will be successful in your activities and progress will also be very fine. This is the ideal day for fulfilling your desires. Venus is moving in a sector for short travels, communication, and networking. There will be a lot of projects, and that can be tiring as well. So, you need to do a lot of multitasking. Those who work in media, communication, and electronics will have more work. Those who work as teachers and counselors also will have new projects. This is a busy time and you have to have a specific plan for your work. Mars will start triggering your professional relationships too. This will bring a lot of opportunities to be visible in the social domain. You will try to expand your business too. However, there are chances for arguments as well. On Tuesday, students should try to widen the horizons of their knowledge by engaging themselves in practical fieldwork. This week is best suited for practical experience of various aspects of your studies. It would also be a good idea to join some creative courses during this period. Engineering students will need to work really hard to achieve desired results. To get even better results in examinations, we recommend that students study in a group. This will undoubtedly benefit them the most. Students intending to migrate abroad can commence formalities for the same during this week. We recommend students to meditate during times of stress. Wednesday is a period about good news in your employment picture. If you've been languishing in a job you hate or wishing you could find something that pays more, you'll be able to attract more creative job offerings now and even leave on good terms with great references. Aspects indicate a pay bump that could help clear up the bills. On Thursday, you have a period of opportunity but also instability regarding employment and health. It's important to be ready to take action because a new position may come unexpectedly. Don't quit your job before you're sure the new one will work out. With the universe affecting your communication, it's imperative to get everything in writing before gambling with your funds. On Friday, teachers, counselors, and HR people will be looking for new opportunities. There will be some projects from the media and publishing sector as well. Work related travel can also come up. Mars is moving through the sector for team ventures and collective projects. This is a very good time for joining new teams. Projects from the scientific and technical communication sector can also come up. You will try to start a long-term project. Projects from international organization are also seen. However, there are chances for arguments with your teammates. You should avoid that. This is a good time to work for children and youth groups as well. You should be very keen on your own ventures. Martian influence can make you very aggressive, so be careful while investing in risky ventures. On Saturday, Mars is moving through the sector for career and bosses during this week. This is an ideal place for Mars and that will make you very ambitious. However, Mars indicates struggles as well. There will be certain projects which can be very challenging. You will get enough opportunities to promote your career. New opportunities to start a new project or a new team can also come up. Opportunities from the creative sector can also come up and that will be short-term projects. This is a good time to keep a good relationship with your colleagues. New colleagues and new opportunities can also come up. On Sunday, Mars is moving through the sector for foreign collaborations. This is a very good opportunity for working for foreign companies. Projects from the media and mass communication related sectors can also come up. There will be some issues for bloggers. Spiritualists and mentors will also have some opportunities. Venus is influencing your team settings and creativity, so you can assume that you will be having some team discussions. There will be a lot of opportunities to join a new team as well.
To get your daily prediction updates from our team of psychics, subscribe to Highest Good and click on the bell notification and never miss a prediction.